there will be a parent class and child class.
No. Jitesh.
Child class will extend the.
No, please don't introduce any term called as parent and child. No.
Nested class.
What a message I'm receiving.
Doesn't have any name.
Yeah, I'll come to that. I'll come to this anonymous part. Before that, my question is, what do you mean by the term inner class?
Class
within a class.
inside a class.
Mainak, what do you mean by inner class? Mainak, you there?
Ma'am, I guess,
Chitresh, you want to give a try?
ma'am, I guess a class which is declared in a class, like a class,
Repeat.
a class inside class, I guess.
A class inside another class is called as
In a class.
the class which is inside another class is called with the term inner class. The class which is holding the other class is called as
Outer class.
Parent.
outer class. Inner class or nested class. The class which is holding the other class is called as outer class. The class inside another class is called as inner. There were 4 types of inner class. Nikhil, what are all the 4 types of inner classes?
Regular, static, anonymous. Anonymous is the one which has no name.
And what is the 4th type? I said 4 types. You said only 3.
I think the one which implements another interface or a subclass.
Oh,
Some local.
what local? Am I conducting any one single word answer? I will arise the question and you will end up with single word. Am I conducting any competition of single word answers?
Class which is declared inside the method. Local
Which is
class.
called as method local inner class. I will be having a class. Inside class, I will be having a method. Inside method, I have a class called as method local inner class. On May 13, to your wave, hardly 16, 17 days back, not even a month. I am not at all asking any complex definition. I'm asking only the topic name, what is this about, and its types. I will share you few links. Go for self-learning. I'll continue my concept session after an hour. The 4th category is called as anonymous inner class. I'll be having a class inside another class without name. How? By having only object. We will particularly use anonymous inner class with my abstract class and abstract method, because abstract method needs to be override. Interface abstract method needs to be override. Instead of having one class which needs to be override and define the method, I can do that without a centralized child class. For that, I can use anonymous inner class. Your lambda will go with the same way. Lambdas are essentially anonymous function without a name. That I can pass in my main method and I can call and it will return the functionality. What is the use of lambda? Lambda eliminates the need of anonymous, the inner class kind of a thing. And it's even I can reduce that centralized class. the anonymous inner class. I can give a definition of my function straight away with a powerful functional programming, whatever the have with Java. So before moving to my demo, this is an advantage of Lambda. Concise code, no repetitive statement, readable and effective. For sure, it enhances the productivity and it reduces the number of lines of code. So before moving the program in Lambda, I'll share these notes. So once if you have understood this anonymous inner class with abstract class, no need of centralized concrete class, an interface without child class, then only going ahead with functional interface and Lambda will be a meaningful. Listen, I'm going to share these notes. I'm going to share few reference link. Don't engage with any other pending sprints of mini project or any other sprint. I'm going to give 1 hour time. The next 1 hour, I want you to read